Okay, we're going to look at a music platform called Soundful.com. So this is an AI platform that allows you to generate original music where you can look at different music genres and you have the ability to customize the tempo, the beats per minute. You can create variations, and then you can use these music tracks in your video projects, whether it's for YouTube, maybe it's a short video or movie, training video, or whatever. So we're going to jump into Soundful.com and we're going to learn how to create our own music tracks using the magic of AI.
Hey, what's up guys? Greg here, and we're going to look at Soundful.com. So this is an AI music generator, and it allows you to create beats using templates, or you can even put in a song that you like. So let's take a look at it. They do have a free plan. I ended up just doing one of the paid plans so I can test it out. So here we are. We can, for the free plan, you get 10 downloads. You get a stem pack. So a stem is, what I understand, you get the different layers of the instruments. So if you just want to take out the drums out of a beat, you can do that. So that's what stems are. So you get over 50 templates here. I'm currently on the premium plan. So I paid $89 per year. I get unlimited track downloads, unlimited loops, unlimited monetization. So I can monetize videos on TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, and Instagram. And I get 5 stem packs per month. Now this part is interesting. Copyright available starting at $49.99. Unlimited monetization. All right. So let's get down to how do we actually use this. Let's go back to Soundful. So I'll just give you a quick look at my library. I'll play some tunes that I've made. Let's turn up the volume. Okay, so that's one tune. That's a hip-hop vibe. And so in this column here, they give you the track and the template, and then you've got the tempo and the key. In the next column, duration, which is how long it is, and the date that you created it. You can even heart it. You can share it so others can listen to the track, and you can download. And this is where you have the option to download the stem or just an MP3 or WAV. WAV is smaller, WAV is higher quality. And like most AI platforms, you have the ability to create a similar type of track. All right, so that's the basic interface. And you've got this player at the bottom here. So let's just say you want to create a track. You've got global tracks, which gives you a starting point. So let's just say we want to pick one here. Zenith. So we can click on this. Okay, we can get this. We can just download the MP3 and off we go. But if we want to create our own music, how do we get started with that? Okay, so the idea is that you start off with templates, and you can use one of these moods or themes. There's 13 templates, and then different categories. Like hip hop, there's 18 templates. Pop has 14 templates. EDM has 13 templates. And then you have R&B, Latin, ambient, social media, drum loops, instrument loops. So it's quite a lot of exploration that you could do. So let's just say I want to create a reggaeton track. Let's try a dark reggaeton. So I'm going to click on this. Alright, so see that button over here? So we have some options here. We can create something similar, and then this brings up the interface. So this is where you get the opportunity to mix or remix a song. You have the option to change the beat. So we can create something a bit slower. We can change the key from minor or major. So I'm just gonna call this reggaeton G. I'm just gonna block my camera because I'm in the way there. Okay, so in the bottom right, I've just changed this to G major. I've slowed it down to 100 beats per minute. I'm gonna call it reggaeton G major, and then we create a preview. So you can just see the progress bar over here. Tracks will be mixed and mastered when downloaded from my library. So that's where you can download it from. But I want to hear it first. Okay, so if I like that, I can click save. Okay, and then I can find it in my library. So this is where it is. And so we have the option to create similar. Again, we can share it. We can even edit it again. So it's a pretty nice interface. I find it pretty intuitive. So we can just do the standard download for MP3. It may take up to 10 minutes. Now I'm also going to download, once this is done, I'm going to download the stem just to show you what it looks like. While this is busy, let me just play one of my other tracks. Let's do another reggaeton beat. So this has a nice beat. Okay, let's see if we download it. If we do a stem download, I'll show you later what we get. And that's the basic concept there. So we can take existing templates, we can remix, and then you have the ability to customize it based on the key as well as the beats per minute. So there is another platform, and I thought it was this one, where you can actually give it a track, a commercial track, and it'll create an instrumental out of that. But it doesn't work that well, but I can see that type of technology just improving. Okay, so the stem download is complete. Let's just take a look at what we got. I'm going to show you what's in here. Let's see if we can just get the drums. Okay, percussion loop. String ambience. So you can see what a stem is. It's really just breaking down the track into the different instruments, if that's what you're interested in. Here's the original. Yeah, and if you have MIDI, you can put this in to your MIDI device and do even further mixing. So that's an introduction to Soundful.com for making music tracks.